XGentle Surgi-Cream Facial Hair Remover. This is the only product I have found that works without irritating my sensitive skin. I have thick, dark hair which is stubborn to remove but still no match for Surgi-Cream. It's good stuff. Marianne's Colleague and E-Grave, NE Anti-Aging and Hydrating Facial Skincare, Anti-Aging Collagen. Anti-Aging Collagen Cream is ideal for aging skin, protecting it from external aggressions, while nourishing it and providing flexibility and firmness. The combination of the soluble form of Marianne's bioactive collagen and the Spilanthes acmella extract strengthens tissue elasticity and improves the skin's ability to absorb and maintain moisture. Its action on the supporting tissue rapidly reorganizes collagen fibers and visibly smooths the skin. By stimulating the fibroblast biomechanical functions, the anti-aging collagen cream will reorganize the dermis architecture. The skin density and firmness are then rapidly enhanced, leading to a reduction in skin roughness. Visibly active, the action of this moisturizer is measurable from the first application. This rich anti-aging treatment cream is formulated from active ingredients that help the skin rapidly recover comfort and suppleness, leaving it intensely nourished and protected. It is ideal for dry skin types. Active ingredients: marine native collagen, Spilanthes acmella extract, lepidium root, fractionated coconut oil, marinecollage, and the skin is composed of 70% collagen, which alone accounts for 90% of connective tissue. Collagen can retain up to 8 times its own weight in water, which is why the protein substance is a primary moisturizing component of skin. The marine collagen restores skin properties with a healthy supply of collagen fibrils. Firm and resistant skin highlights facial features and exhibits fewer wrinkles. Natural marine collagen regenerates connective tissues that support skin structure. The ingredient also helps to deeply hydrate dry, mature skin, keeping cells healthy and strong. Marianne's natural marine collagen strengthens and revitalizes your skin. Best anti-aging cream for men. Protect and Urban XY pays homage to the fact that not only are women concerned about the effects of the elements on the face, men now are positioning the market to include their needs in anti-aging, especially in the job market arena where the emphasis is on the techie young set. This facial serum not only restores the more youthful appearance by fading fine lines and wrinkles, but is also simply makes the quality of the skin look refreshed and protects it from further damage. The ingredients are all safe: aloe, jojoba, vitamin E, shea butter, lavender, white tea, calendula, rooibos, olive oil, carrot, hydraulic acid, evening primrose, rosehip, and borage, and well tested with articles written proving their efficacy. So finally, men have their own product line to proudly set on the counter near the sink in the bathroom. Cleanse the face, shave, tone, and apply the serum and step back and rather immediately notice the difference. Urban XY has made it possible for men to enjoy the current attention being made to skincare. Highly recommended. Grady Harp, August 15. This product was sent to me gratis for an unbiased review. Cease Beauty Makeup Brush Set 11 PCS Professional Bamboo Handle, Premium. This set of brushes are soft, and very well made. They arrived in a linen satchel, and I was very happy with the quality. Purchased these a gift for my daughter for her birthday, because it was a complete set, and she will be able to use them for years, if properly taken care of. I am very pleased with my purchase. Thank you. I purchased this product at a reduced price for my honest review. Deco Neck Firming Cream with Vitamin C, Glycolic Acid. This neck firming cream provides a light cream that firms and tightens, as well as moisturizes the neck area. I find that the bottle is much larger than I anticipated, and it only takes a small amount about the size of a pea to cover the neck area. Therefore, it should last a long time, and is well worth the purchase price. I feel the neck area tightening shortly after I apply it, and it dries without feeling overly greasy. It also softens the neck area and the result is a smoother, firmer neck area. I look forward to seeing long-term results with this product, which I received for purposes of review. I would have no problem at all recommending this product to a friend.